So I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable the front screen of your GoPro Hero 12, this screen right here. So what you need to do is simply swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap on this icon here. Okay, now here you have different options for using the front screen. This one puts the screen in full screen mode, basically mirrors the back screen or the main screen. To turn it off, use this X, and that turns off the front screen, as you can see. To turn it back on, you can use either of these options. This one to show only status, and this one will mirror the aspect ratio of the main screen, which is this back screen, and this one will go full screen. Okay, like that. And that's basically how to turn it on or off on the GoPro Hero 12. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.